you mind if we talk a little bit about hope? Hope is a quality of expectation. And it's good to have expectations because it makes us rise a little higher and reach a little more. Like when you stretch, it feels real good, right? And then you're like, wait a minute, I can go just a little bit further. And then you go a little bit further and you can go a little bit further. And you realize that, there's levels to things that we do. And we can push harder or be softer if we like, depending on the time and the moment and what it demands of us. And knowing the difference and how much pressure or intensity to apply to a situation is important. And that is how correctness and action and beauty starts existing in the world, is through correct action with just the right amount of pressure, just the right amount of motivation and inspiration. So you are not doing the work for something else, but you are encouraging that work. Because it is about getting out there and acting, getting out there and performing and operating, tinkering, tweaking, messing with things. Move it about, shake it a bit, gently, hard, whatever you like. These words are the spirits that exist. The words that you know, the words that you command, and if you can command that in harmony and in direction and purpose, those words become powerful and forceful and influential because they become legion. They become your spell, your spelling. So accuracy becomes an integral part of your aim. But it's more than that. It's about communicating in a way that others can understand too. And this is why the relationship is its best friend. Because it needs a response. It needs, when it calls out into the darkness, it needs to hear something in return besides its own voice or nothingness. The great havoc, which is the real Planet X, right? The destroyer of worlds. Because our destructive nature has to be put into a vessel. It has to be harnessed. And when that harnessing becomes too great for its chains, it must be released into the world. It must destroy through fire by the dragon. So, the point is this: growth. Growth is a positive experience because the pain is a way for your body to recognize what it feels like. How to add new elements into its library of understanding. That's what the pain is. The pain is putting in the room, the space for that to now be a part of who you are. You don't get pain by sitting on a sofa doing nothing. You get pain by moving your body and acting. And this is what I'm hoping for with the plates now, after this transitional period, by changing your mind, changing the framework in which your mind operates. Now when you look at the plates and the flowers in which these are produced on these videos, I'm hoping, right, my expectation, that's why I'm sharing this with you, is that you're starting to see them in a different way now. You're starting to see them dimensionally as they are designed. So now you're seeing the levels that are built into each of the plates. That is my hope and my expectation. So, journey, quest, explore.